Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a third year computer science undergraduate at University of Colombo School of Computing. I got this opportunity to take part in Mr. Kapila's lecture where we got to know many things related to software testing. Like before joining these sessions, as per my knowledge, all I knew about testing was like it's mainly a manual task in the software development lifecycle. But then we got to know that it's not just a manual task anymore. Like how the technology has evolved and new trends in software testing, like how AI has involved in software testing and all. So these sessions were really interesting, and I think we all got a good exposure about the industry and how important is QA in real life situations. I think we all got a clear idea about the role of a QA engineer and the knowledge and the skills required to be a QA engineer and all their responsibilities and everything. So I thank Mr. Kapila and the Exactpro team for all these knowledge sessions, and I hope to take part in more sessions like this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm an undergraduate at University of Colombo School of Computing, and a few weeks back we had some guest lectures conducted by Exactpro by the head of delivery, Mr. Kapila Karunaratne. And in these lectures, we got to know about new trends in software testing and the relationship between DevOps and quality assurance. And also, we got to know about using artificial intelligence (AI) for testing. And these lectures also had some information about the importance of QA in the industry with respect to some real life situations. The lectures also taught us about the knowledge and skills required to become a QA today. And we got to know about the tools that are used by quality assurance engineers these days. And we got to know about testing web services, and the lectures also included processes and stages that are involved in testing. So overall, it was a very informative lecture series, and we're very thankful to Exactpro for conducting them for us.